The most common reasons a Maytag Centennial Commercial Technology dryer stops heating are a blown thermal fuse, a faulty heating element, or a clogged ventilation system. We'll focus on diagnosing and fixing these issues. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the dryer before any repairs. The thermal fuse is a safety device that blows when the dryer overheats to prevent fire hazards. It's often the first suspect in no heat problems. Locate it usually near the blower wheel at the back of the dryer. Use a multimeter to test continuity by touching the probes to the fuse terminals. If it reads 0 ohms, the fuse is intact. If it reads infinite or shows no continuity, the fuse is blown and needs replacement. Always disconnect power before testing to avoid electrical shock. A new thermal fuse costs around $5 to $15. If the thermal fuse is good, check the heating element. Access it by removing the back panel of the dryer. Inspect the coil for breaks, burns, or corrosion. Here's what a normal heating element looks like. Damaged elements show signs like broken springs, burnt terminals, or corroded coils. These require replacement. To replace, disconnect power, remove the old element, and install the new one. Cost ranges from $50 to $100. Clogged vents restrict airflow, causing overheating and component failures. Check the lint trap, ducts, and external exhaust. Use a vacuum or vent cleaning kit to remove lint. Aim for at least 10 to 15 feet of unobstructed vent. Professional cleaning is recommended annually. Neglecting the vents is the root cause in most heating failures. Begin with safety precautions by unplugging the dryer to avoid electrical hazards. Find the thermal fuse using your dryer's manual diagram, typically located near the blower wheel at the back. Carefully remove the old thermal fuse by disconnecting the wires and unscrewing it from its mounting. Install the new thermal fuse by connecting the wires securely and mounting it in place. Reassemble the dryer by putting back any panels or components you removed. Plug in the dryer and run a test cycle to ensure the heating works properly. Finally, check and clean the ventilation system to prevent the fuse from blowing again. Begin by unplugging the dryer from the electrical outlet to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards during the replacement process. Access the heating element by removing the back panel of the dryer. This typically involves unscrewing the panel to expose the internal components. Disconnect the wires from the old heating element. Take note of the wire colors and positions to ensure correct reconnection later. Use caution to avoid damaging the wires. Remove the old heating element by unscrewing or unclipping it from its mounting. Handle it carefully, as it may be hot or fragile. Install the new heating element in the same position as the old one, securing it properly with screws or clips. Reconnect the wires to the new heating element, matching the colors and positions from the original setup. Double-check connections to prevent electrical issues. Reassemble the dryer by replacing the back panel and securing it. Plug in the dryer and test it to ensure the heating element works properly and there are no unusual noises or smells. Simple fixes like fuse or vent cleaning are DIY friendly for most people with basic tools. However, if you're uncomfortable with electrical work, encounter complex wiring, or suspect a gas-related issue for gas dryers, call a qualified technician. Professional repairs average $150 to $300, but ensure safety and proper diagnosis to avoid further damage. Preventative maintenance is key to keeping your Maytag Centennial dryer running efficiently and safely. Clean the lint trap after every load to remove accumulated lint. This prevents airflow restrictions that can cause overheating and maintains optimal drying performance. Inspect the ventilation system regularly for clogs, kinks, or damage. Clearing blockages ensures proper exhaust airflow and prevents the thermal fuse or heating element from failing due to heat buildup. Upgrade to smart dryer models equipped with vent monitoring sensors. These provide early alerts for potential issues, enabling predictive maintenance that extends your dryer's lifespan. Preventative maintenance extends your dryer's lifespan and significantly reduces repair costs. By addressing issues early, you avoid costly replacements and keep your appliance running reliably. Choose energy-efficient models certified by Energy Star. These dryers reduce strain on heating elements, lower energy costs, and decrease the likelihood of component failures. Always prioritize safety during maintenance tasks. Regular preventative care prevents fire hazards from clogged vents and keeps your Maytag Centennial dryer running smoothly for years.